Chapter 3 discuss how to model the basic viewpoint coding for the product. The product is a generic name, but they have a certain specific the perspective or concepts within the ArchiMate, the language specification. So there's our name, the notation name as the product within the business layer. So if you put in here, it's just like a rectangle with our small the rectangle on the upper left corner. So that is the product. You can have your product to have a relationship with the product to have this hierarchical, or you can have this product to connect to the business service, business interface, as well as those the motivation layer, and also through the product you can cross linking to the certain notation within the application layer, like this light blue. So let's draw this one to familiar is what kind of the relationships you can utilize on the product within Archi. So let's do this one. So first you can come to this Spark, the EA's tutorial. These are the product viewpoint. Is create element and a diagram that describe the value that the products offer to external party. So pay attention to this. Is the product is we're talking about the more generic product. So if you come to your company or corporate, it can be the solid product, or sometimes we call that is hardware product, hard product, or soft product. Normally we refer to the service or the maintenance related things. So, but we define product in ArchiMate is not the internal product. If you have your internal IT department to package some the internal the applications and used by the all the department within company, and you can have the interrelated charging within the different business unit. That also can be our internal product, but that may not be suitable to model here. Even you can use this notation, but that is not our focus, because product is we want to link to the business layer or go to the strategy layer, go to the motivation layer. That more coming from the external view. So it allows them to visualize one or more product composition in terms of their constituent business application, technology service, and any number of contracts or other agreements. So channel we modeled by the interface in business layer through which is the product is offered, and the event associate. So we don't put event here. Associate with the product can also be represented in this viewpoint. So that is the product. Let's do our model first. So I put is 03 product. Let's see, this is a pattern. So I save that and name this here, and also save this as the model. So I already have under one, I have all the folders. So this is the pattern for model. And let's simply come to here. Since it's a short name, I don't make our title. So you can drag this. This is the product. So you can drag here, and also you can click here, show hints. Then hints is give you this ArchiMate specification naming definition. So you see here. Also, sorry, this is not a product. So I put that. Yeah, let me cancel that. This is the product. A product represents our coherent collection of service and or passive structure element accompanied by our contract. So this is the representation. This is the contract. So you can see here, accompanied with a contract. So you can link a product, aggregate, all composed. So a company with a contract, so we can see that is our kind of here. So this is the contract A, contract B. So that is aggregates. So one product can sign different contract to the different customer. So that is our contract A. Is can be the one to many. So this is the contract B. So that's why we use two this aggregation. So that is our product. And then back to here, which is offered as a whole to internal and external customer. From this Spark Egg, the systems tutorial, we are doing this as our external pattern. But as I mentioned, is for our companies, you definitely have a certain external part facing product, or and also the internal the facing product. So that is the not our the limitation. So you see it's only in the external, but that's depending on your focus. So within the product, actually is you can have the business service, let's say business service A. Before I make that nested, let's see, so what's that relation you can see. So very the flexible, you can say compose, you can say aggregate, realize, serve. So depending on is you can use a view is if I use a serve, then that means is a product is serve our business service, or you can say a realize. So if I put a realize, you can also put that inside this product. But I would like is that you can try to the test like what I'm doing is put this notation first outside the product notation so that you can understand what are the relationship you are choosing. So because you have more this relation allowed, but if you choose the serving, that is not a nested relation. So that's why I put is realize, and I can make also a simple. So if I put that here and I change this to serving. So let me see. So I will change that back. So serving is allowed, but if I move that here, so we only within this I mean this only the default setting. So nested element is I have this 3, so I have to change to this realize. So then this you still need to use the realize to make that nested, but at the same time you have our serving relation. So that means you have a double relation. I have showed you this before is for edit, go to the preference, you can see this nested. Let me see the ARM. So that is automatic relationship management. One of that is for the nested. So which one? So is reverse and offer new relation. This one, relation type to hide when element are nested. So those are the this available nested relation. So you can see here is by default is all of them are okay, but within this our test case from product to the business service, the nested is only in the first two plus this realization. So that is some inner the settings within this this tool. So I choose this as a realization. Then I put that inside to make our diagram not so big. Is I just put the business service A and B. So from the description perspective, is that's fairly enough. So I think is I have a double one here. So and then from the product, we are going to this interface. Let's also test here. So what allowed? So you can also use the product serializer interface or serving. As I mentioned in the earlier video, is within this pattern is majority of them are just association. But I try to choose something is not associate. So then this you can give some meanings. For example, is this product I use them to serve one or two the interface. So two interface here. So I put this another one. So that is the B. And also this one, instead of realization, I choose the this serving. Then you can you guess is what kind of the interface or the relationship we can put that to the actor from interface? So I guess it's a serving is the top or trigger. So I keep use serving. So that one is the product serve interface. Then through this interface is interface serve the your actor, and we find is there's are this motivation layer. We have a different value. So value A, value B. So you see that notation is not like this Eclipse. It's because you can choose from this here. So appearance uh, figure. So you have this one. So you can choose that to show like this one. Like this, you can also choose that to show like what you are looking for. Similarly, it's for product. That is another way to show. And for service is another way. Interface is also. So I put it double, so that is one use this the default way one use is some the interesting way. So then value connect to your product. You can see here. You can use the influence by. So then that's will have some these meanings. So you can add a positive influence, negative influence. So because if you build or define or create some new product, that should have a certain positive or more than positive the this impact to your certain value, and here is the influence the there is a link, and you can put here. You can see there is our strength. This strength not have any the rules. But you can add like is this one is plus. And this one is, I think, is stronger. Then you can put a plus plus. And if you have a certain assessment is certain result is negatively impact certain value, then you can put this minus to here. That is certain the way to show the impact, the strongness from this ArchiMate. And then there's below the product, we have two application service. Same as you can have this one, so as the business service. Then let's see. So from product, how to link to the application service is also better to use this aggregate. So that means is you have certain this hierarchical, not so strong hierarchical from your the business product to our application service. So you are driving this application service. So we start is this is was the these tutorials showing the product waypoint. So you can see here is you may have a certain discussion you can read, but I highlight this a few the bulletin point when you want to use this pattern. So change the name, the how you use that is you can change this diagram and then change the product and other element and create additional value. interface, rows. So you know is we also have our row related to business this business actor. So no, so not this one. So that is interface. So from the actor to row, we have this assign. So you can assign a specific actor to a row. Then this from your interface, you can also serve a row. So row is can be more generic than your actor. Then you have this different abstracting level. Then you can give some more specific this definition and create additional value as needed. So that is the starting point for using this one. Then you can tailor this to your purpose. So with that is we are finished this pattern. So I also add some additional pattern to you. So it's not exactly the same like this one, but we have tried the available this valid relation and convert those native association to certain meaningful notation. In the relationship parts. And the next video is I also, as usual, is get our open sample. One the insurance product. Let's do this in the next one as an example. So see you in the 06. Bye for now.